Hello everyone, I am Abhishek Padi, and in this video I will show you how you can set up your Cloudflare CDN with your Blogger website. So here note that you can connect a free subdomain to your Blogger website. For that you need to add a custom domain to your website. So first of all, go to the Cloudflare website and click on Get Started for Free. And here enter your email and it will ask you to add a strong password and click on create account. Now click on first option and here add your domain name and click on add site. Now here you will see 4 plans. So here click on free plan and click on continue. Now it will scan your DNS record and it will automatically fetch the DNS setting of your website to Cloudflare. So let's wait. Okay. Now the DNS setting is added to the Cloudflare account. Scroll down and click on continue. Now it will ask you to change the name server from your domain register. So first of all, remove the default name server and first of all copy this first name server and go to the GoDaddy account, and here in the DNS setting you will see an option called name server. So click on change. Now here click on I will use my own name server and here paste your new name server. Now again go to the Cloudflare account and copy the second name server and paste it here. Now click on save. I will not do that because I have already added the Cloudflare to my website. Now after that click on done check name server. Now it will ask you to do some basic setting. So click on get started and here click on automatic HTTPS rewrite, but make sure to turn the HTTPS redirect from your Blogger website if you face any problem during this process. So click on save and click on always use HTTPS and click on save. Now click on JavaScript, CSS and minify. So it will automatically minify your HTML, CSS and JavaScript file and click on save. Now click on Brotli. It will compress your all files in the website and it is just like the gzip compression in Blogger. Click on save. Now click on finish. Now wait for some time. It will take 1 hour to 24 hours to successfully propagate the name server to your Cloudflare account, and after that you don't need your domain register for DNS management. Cloudflare will handle all the DNS management for you. Now one last thing, click on change and here click on configuration. Now scroll down and here you will see an option called browser change TTL. So click on it and set it around 24 days or 1 month and you are done. And here if you face any problem, then you can simply turn on the development mode so that it will bypass the Cloudflare and it will automatically load this website from your original server. And here click on speed and here click on optimization. Now scroll down and it will show an option called rocket loader. So turn on this setting to improve the website speed. But if you face any problem in the front end of your website, then you can turn this off, and this basically changes the JavaScript and sometimes it may break your website. So you have completed all the basic settings of Cloudflare, and if you face any HTTPS error, then make sure to go to the Blogger setting and turn off the HTTPS redirect from here. Now your Cloudflare account is successfully connected to your Blogger website, and if you face any problem during this process, then you can take the help of this guide I have given in my website, and you will find the link of this guide in the description. I hope you have successfully added your Cloudflare account to your Blogger website, and if you face any problem, then you can ask me in the comment section, or you can directly message me in Telegram. I will definitely try to help you. If you really like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos like this. Thank you.